Today's video is about cleaning your mass airflow sensor, or your MAF. I'm working on my 2008 Land Rover Lr3, so my mass airflow sensor sits right on the air housing tube. All you need is a bottle of the CRC air filter, CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner, and to take your MAF off. This is general maintenance, but if your check engine light is on, sometimes cleaning that will turn it off if it's fuel or air related sometimes. So I'm going to bring you in, show you how to do it. Okay, here's another option if you want to clean just your mass airflow sensor. Maybe you don't want to take off the throttle body and clean it. Maybe you don't need to change or check your air filter, and all you want to do is clean the mass airflow sensor. So after you disconnect the wiring, you're going to get this is a T20 star bit, and you can simply break these, which they're not on here that tight. Again, make a note on how tight they are so you roughly get them back that tight. Then you simply twist these two little T20 screws out. Don't lose these. Don't lose those. Take them out. And then this your mass airflow sensor just slides straight up and straight out. There's a little rubber gasket right here, little rubber seal. So all you want to do is clean the little red sensor right there. That's all you want to do. Clean the red sensor in the front, clean the little red sensor in the back, then you're good to go. I have the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner, and I have the straw attached. I'm going to spray and clean that little red sensor, and then down in here, I don't know if you can see that, I'm going to put a little burst on that as well, but mainly I'm going to clean this. And that's pretty much what you want to do. 2-3 seconds. 2-3 seconds. You want to do that just a few times. Let it dry a few times. Clean your wire. It's the wire. That little wire gets dirty. I don't know how good you can see it, but the wire gets dirty. That's all you want to do is clean that. And like I say, I'll put a burst in here. Both sides. Let that leak on out. Alright. Never clean your wires with this sensor. They have a different, never clean these wires with this cleaner. They have a different cleaning can to clean these, to clean the wire connectors. So that's all you want to do. Now, installation is pretty straightforward. Get your two screws, your two T20 screws, put them on. You are screwing into plastic. Get it snug. You don't have to put your heart and soul into tighten them. Then you just put your connector back on. Click. You're done. Good to go. As you see, it's just that easy to clean your mass airflow sensor. Not that hard. Saves you a lot of time and money from going to a dealer or going to a service center to have it done. As usual, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys have a blessed day.